सभी को मुझ बेंजामिन ड्यूक की तरफ से प्रेम भरा सुप्रभात। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी कुशल से हैं और मैं आपकी अच्छी सेहत की कामना भी करता हूं। जबकि ये मुश्किल दौर गुजरता जाता है, अर्थात इस महामारी ने जिसने लाखों लोगों को अपनी गिरफ्त में लिया है, ऐसे समय पे मैं आप सभी अभिभावकों और अपने प्यारे बच्चों से ये अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि आप अपना मनोबल और मानसिक संतुलन ना खोएं, वरन दृढ़ता से डटे रहें और इससे लड़ें। साथ साथ आप सभी दिए गए निर्देशों का जो आपकी सेहत से संबंध रखते हैं और आपके लिए लाभकारी हैं, आप कृपया करके उनका पालन करें। इस छोटी चित्र मुद्रण अर्थात इस वीडियो क्लिप से ये प्रयत्न किया गया कि हम ये थोड़ा जान पाएं, सीख पाएं कि ऐसे मुश्किल दौर प्राचीन समय में भी आए और आपको पता चलेगा कि जब सृष्टि में ये उथल पुथल हुआ, चाहे वो किसी भी रूप से था, उसके पीछे मनुष्य का एक बड़ा हाथ रहा। पर वहीं एक पीढ़ी ऐसी भी थी जिसने इन महामारियों से, इन परेशानियों से दृढ़ता से सामना किया, लड़े और वो उभर कर सामने आए, जिसका भरसक फायदा और लाभ आज हम जो पीढ़ी हैं इस 21वीं सदी की उठा पाए। इस वीडियो क्लिप के माध्यम से ये प्रयत्न किया गया कि हम सीखें कि हमें अपना मनोबल ऐसे मुश्किल दौर में नहीं खोना है। साथ साथ हमें अपनी इस प्रकृति को, इस सृष्टि को किस तरीके से संभालना है और संवारना है। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी इसे बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक देखेंगे। धन्यवाद। During this time of crisis surfacing COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to motivate you and tell you that we must not lose heart or be discouraged. It's not possible, but by perseverance and faith in God, we'll definitely gain victory. As we search through history, we find numerous occasions where mankind was suppressed and nearly brought to extinction. Such examples are First World War, Second World War, nuclear attacks, worldwide slavery, plagues, floods, so more and so forth. If we keenly observe and go into the background of these calamities, we'll find that the people, those who have survived, did not lose heart, but kept on combating with their adverse situations with great endurance and mental toughness till they achieved success and peace. We must never forget that all these calamities and troubles that came on the human race are manufactured by man himself and all motivated to cause mass destruction. By breaking the laws of nature, the generation before us set grievous and horrifying results to be faced by the later generation. We must never fiddle with nature. The message to be followed by all mankind is to harness all knowledge and scientific abilities for the betterment of planet Earth, for the welfare of mankind, and for a better planet and happier planet, rather not to create weapons of destruction, nuclear weapons, biological weapons, etc. At last, I would like to make a humble request to kindly observe this short video clip which is entitled to the concerned subject, which I am sure will definitely inspire us in order to tell us that we must not lose heart in the time of trouble, This video will also help us and guide us in order to realize our responsibility and duty as a human being, that how we should handle and deal with planet Earth. Thank you.
Imagine if you got what you want every time. No struggle, no hard work, no challenges, no hard work required. Some of you are saying that would be great. You would be weak. And then when something hard comes up in your life, you wouldn't know how to handle it because you have never gone through anything that strengthens you. You cannot grow without struggle. You cannot develop strength without resistance, without challenging yourself, without struggle. Pain is your friend. You have failures. If you didn't have struggles, if you didn't have disappointment, you could have no strength, no courage, no compassion. How could you? Those qualities are made from your pain and struggle. You are stronger than you think. You survived all your challenges to this point, and you will survive whatever is coming. But next time a struggle comes, I don't want you to curse the skies. Know that it was sent for a reason and a lesson. It might be to make you stronger. It might be to teach you patience. It might be for you to show others your spirit. There is a reason. So don't you give up. You have a purpose in this world, and you will only find it if you keep going and keep growing.
In the jungle, which animal is the biggest? I heard you say elephant. In the jungle, which animal is the tallest? I heard you say giraffe. In the jungle, which animal is the wisest? I heard you say fox. In the jungle, which animal is the fastest? I heard you say cheetahs. Among all these wonderful qualities mentioned, where is the lion in the picture? Yet you say the lion is the king of the jungle, even without any of these qualities. Why? Because the lion is courageous. The lion is very bold. The lion is always ready to face any challenges, any barrier that crosses his path, no matter how big, bad they are. The lion walks with confidence. The lion dares anything and is never afraid. The lion believes he is unstoppable. The lion is a risk taker. The lion believes any animal is food for him. The lion believes any opportunity is worth given a try and never lets it slip from his hands. The lion has charisma. So, what is it that we get to learn from the lion? You don't need to be the fastest. You don't need to be the wisest. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most brilliant. You don't need to be generally accepted to achieve your dreams and be great in life. All you need is courage. All you need is boldness. All you need is the will to try. All you need is the faith to believe it is possible. All you need is to believe in yourself that you can do it. It's time to bring out the lion in you. Stay motivated.